catfish. Dave, bring out the stringer.
That was a big fish on it or something. They're making too big of a deal about it.
There's our worms.
There's our worms.
There's our worms. There's our worms.
And here's the fishing.
Oh, right on the stringer.
There's my fish.
There's a catfish.
Oh my gosh!
There's my
They caught
fishies.
pinfish too.
Good job.
Doesn't that taste good, Hazel?
Alright, so he does a scalefish.
Look at that.
Wait, Dave, let me take a picture with you. Get with Dad.
Look at that. All those
Hey,
fish.
nice try, Denise.
You didn't catch
Denise,
anything.
nice try. This
Yeah.
is me and Dennis.
Yeah, this is our. Hold like this.
1, 2. Get your face, Dad. 1, 2. Oh, my
Wait,
screen.
let me carry myself.
Look at the size of
Oh,
those
I burned
fish.
out my battery. Dad, I need new batteries.
Oh no! In the glove compartment, there's a. We're gonna have to.
Yeah, sure you caught 10 fish. Uh-huh. We believe you.
I got it on film.
I was on fire today. I caught 3 fish in 15 minutes.
You did.
Of course, I went like 45 minutes on anything.
Where's the bass? All right, let's do it again, Dave. Sorry about that. Okay, we're starting again.
Again.
Okay, 1, 2.
Okay, thank you.
Dave, fish.
Those are awesome.
Oh, these are big.
Beautiful. They're perfect. You're gonna get all gross now. They're gonna fling at you, the scales.
Awesome.
Okay, you want to carry the.
This was all the dam?
We were fighting for about an hour. Really great.
Is any of your fish in there?
I'm locking the
Got 2,
door.
your dad had
Can I
one.
see?
You let any go?
I let 2 go like that and a small bass. 2 go like my fake catfish.
Oh, you caught a small bass.
Yeah, it wasn't like it was 10 inches. That have to be 12 to keep.
They're frozen? You frozen? Come here. Oops, flat tire.
You're just gonna skin first.
Oh, these girls are really big.
Bullhead. Put your finger on the end of the stinger.
Where? Where's the end of the stinger?
It'll sting you.
Where is it? That?
Yeah.
No. He's dead. It can't sting you.
Sure can.
Dad, can it?
Give me 5, Chris.
Dad, can it sting you? Where's it sting? That's a stinger.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, sick. Did you put a fish fly?
I thought you did too. What happened?
No, that was there.
You lost it.
Couldn't lose one.